A hole in the fence. A little boy lived with his parents in a small village. The boy's parents were very depressed because of his bad temper. Even his friends and neighbors avoided him. One day, the boy's father thought of an idea to help his son control his temper. The father gave him a bag of nails. The father said to his son, "Hammer one nail in the fence whenever you lose your temper." On the first day, the boy hammered 30 nails in the fence. But gradually, the number of hammered nails reduced. And one day, the boy realized that he had not hammered even a single nail in the fence. Now, his father asked him to pull out a nail from the fence. The boy pulled out the nail. His father now asked him, "What do you see there?" The boy replied, "A hole in the fence." His father told him, "The nails were your bad temper that was hammered on people. You can remove the nails, but the holes are like scars that will remain there forever." The boy promised to be good-mannered and always spoke politely. Moral of the story: unkind words cause lasting damage.